Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you I built out a video editor directly in browser using React.js. Uh, this is actually the application. It's running on localhost, and it's a single page application. All the processing directly happens in the browser. So this is the user interface. So right here, first of all, you will click this button to initialize and download the FFmpeg, and you will get this notification once the process is complete. And the interface looks something like this of the application. So right here you will drag and drop your media file, your video file. So this is the full directory structure of the React project. It's all the source code, you can directly purchase it. So this is the full directory structure. Each and every component is divided into its appropriate TypeScript file, and it's fully customizable. So once you purchase the source code, you will actually see how I coded this from scratch, and it's easy for you to go to the command line and simply run this command npm runtime. So this will start the local development server, and it's easy for you to deploy this as well. And as you can see, we are using the latest version of React, and we are also using Radix UI for the interface, user interface, and we are also using FFmpeg WebAssembly library. So now to actually show you the actual interface of the application, so we will take a simple video for example. So once you take a video, for example, the video will be added, and now you can perform these operations. You can trim the video, resize, crop the video, remove the audio, apply filter, rotate, and you can convert this MP4 video. Just select the format, convert this to MOV, and click on process video. So now what happens directly using the progress bar, it will also show you the actual amount of time remaining, and it will actually show you this progress bar. So this is FFmpeg doing its processing directly, and you can just see frame by frame it's converting your video, MP4 video, to MOV. So it's an all-in-one single page application. So it's a client-side converter. Everything is happening directly in the browser. There is no backend to it. So there is no server side. All the things are processing directly in the browser. So once it reaches 100%, your video will be converted and you will be able to download. So similarly, if you want to trim the video, you will select this option, resize. So in the meantime, let me show you other operations as well. So let me open it in a new window. So again, you click the button. So it will actually just download the FFmpeg directly inside your browser. So now you can access all these operations. So you now select this operation which is able to cut the video. So trim the video. So here you provide the starting duration and the ending duration. So very simply you provide this, click on process video. So now it will actually trim that specific portion. So again, it will show you this progress bar. It totally depends upon your speed of your computer because it's just running directly inside your browser. So if you do have a graphical user interface GPU card, then it will take less time because all this processing directly happening in the browser. So we are using these libraries here. First of all, we are using this FFmpeg WebAssembly library. If you don't know about this library, it allows you to use FFmpeg directly in the browser. So we are using this. Apart from that, we are using this Radix UI, which is a library for building user interfaces. So we are using this Radix UI library to build out this nice little interface that you see. So here this is the FFmpeg command which is used. You can even edit this command as well by going to advanced option, just changing this command. So apart from that, we have all these operations for filter, applying filters, frame, FPS, audio, bitrate, cropping the video as well, so resize. So it's an all-in-one React video editor. So if you're interested in this fully fleshed project, it will save you a lot of time if you're looking forward for building a FFMPG project in React. All the components, as you can see, are coded from scratch. So it's fully customizable. You can add more features on top of this project. So the link is given in the description. So after purchasing, if you face any issues, you can contact me. I will definitely help you and fix the issue for you. So this is the development command. This is, if you want to build the project, this is the command here. So just go to the command line, simply run this command. This will run the project for you. So you can just see here. So this is actually the processing that you see frame by frame. It's doing it. Also in the console, you see basically it's processing frame by frame. So once it completes, you will get the notification and you will be able to download your video. So once it reaches 100%, so still it is processing it. So it depends upon your video size and how much time it takes to process your video. So you can easily deploy this application. Uh, just if you want to, the link is given. You can directly purchase it. It's developed in Radix UI, as you can see. Each and every component, and we are using the latest version, so you will not face any problem in running and deploying this application.